Gaming just leveled up with the ASUS TUF Gaming T500. This beast packs serious hardware, starting with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T GPU that crushes modern titles at high settings. Paired with up to an Intel Core i7-13620H processor, you're getting a combo that laughs at demanding games and creative workloads. What's wild is how they've engineered this system. The T500 uses a mobile CPU in a desktop tower, giving you the best of both worlds. The larger chassis means better cooling and sustained performance without the noise or power draw of traditional gaming rigs. Smart engineering at its finest. Let's talk memory because this is where things get interesting. With support for up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, the T500 doesn't just game, it multitasks like a champ. Stream, edit, and game simultaneously without breaking a sweat. And those load times? Blink and you'll miss them fast thanks to PCIe Gen 4 storage. Thermal performance deserves its own shout-out. The TUF team didn't just throw parts in a box, they optimized airflow to keep components chill under pressure. No thermal throttling here, just consistent frame rates when you need them most. That's the TUF advantage. Connectivity won't be an issue either. You're looking at all the ports you'd expect plus some nice surprises. USB-C, plenty of display outputs, and easy upgrade access make this a system that grows with your needs. Future-proofing done right. For competitive gamers, the details matter. The T500 delivers low-latency inputs, stable network connections, and buttery smooth visuals. Whether you're in ranked matches or marathon streaming sessions, this rig keeps up with your skills. Content creators will appreciate the balanced performance too. That RTX GPU accelerates rendering while the CPU handles complex timelines. It's a workstation disguised as a gaming PC. Talk about versatility. What really impresses is the value proposition. You're getting high-end specs without the boutique price tag. ASUS nailed the sweet spot between performance and affordability. Your wallet will thank you. So who's this for? Gamers who want no compromise performance. Streamers needing reliable power. Anyone tired of choosing between mobility and desktop muscle. The T500 checks all those boxes and then some. Thanks for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.